मैं ये विश्वास रखता हूं जो तुम बनना चाहो वो तुम बन सकते हो, just as long as you believe in something.
What do you believe in?
I believe in this. Two-wheeler. This will remodel your life and the way you commute, because its red color will transform your personality, and the cost is cheaper than my fake costumes. Dial on this number now.
Achoo!
Yeah,